Hello, and thank you for tuning in. This video is going to be an unboxing, showcasing, and commentary video on my Trick or Treat Studios Dead Silence Mary Shaw Clown Puppet Prop. I hope you enjoy the video, and thank you for watching. And finally, here it is out of the box and bag. The paint looks great, and so does the hair and costume. Now let's get some detailed shots and some turntable spins. Okay, so I had to put it in a legs crossed position so that it would fit on the turntable so that I could get some spins for you. Now, although it looks like wood, the head and face are made out of a squishy, pliable foam. And the body is made out of foam with wires that run through it to make it posable. The hands have separated fingers with gloves, but the fingers are not posable. They don't have wire running through them. And the shoes, as pointed out by other reviewers, are a little bit small, but they can be covered with the clothing. And here's the costume. Most of the costume is made with the silky type satin material, and the outside of the collar and the triangles are made with the velvet type material. And here's a close-up spin of the face. The paint is excellent in my opinion. The eyes are nice and shiny with the gloss or glare to them. The mouth is stationary and does not move. Now, I understand that some people were a little bit disappointed in their Dead Silence puppets from Trick or Treat Studios because they felt a little bit cheap with the foam and the wire running through it. Thankfully, I was able to watch some reviews on YouTube prior to my purchase, and I knew what I was in for. Personally, I just posed it how I wanted it and puffed up the costume a little bit, and it looks fine to me. But I just plan on propping it up on one of my shelves as a display piece so it suits my needs perfectly. So that's my Trick or Treat Studios Dead Silence Mary Shaw Clown Puppet Prop. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.